Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 1. Then again 2 minus 3 is equal to also minus 1. Now minus 1 multiply minus 1 is equal to 1. Okay, but this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. PEMDAS PEMDAS. P means parenthesis, A means exponents, M means multiplication, D means division, A means addition, and S means subtraction. First priority is parenthesis, then second priority is exponents, then third priority is multiplication and division, fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. So multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. And also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So in this problem, first we have to solve this parenthesis. Okay. So 2 minus 3. Now solve this parenthesis. 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 1. Okay. Now here is subtraction and here is multiplication. According to the PEMDAS, first priority is multiplication, then we have to solve this subtraction. Okay. So 2, now minus 3 multiply minus 1 is equal to plus 3. So is equal to 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Okay. So the correct answer is 5. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.